Ride. I've actually really enjoyed myself, and it's only growing even more. And I have the privilege of sharing this community with you tonight. So we'll bring up a bunch of guys, but right now it's just going to be me and Matt Campitelli over here. We're going to play a couple songs for you. They call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. And God, I know I want my mother was a tailor. He sold my new blue jeans. My father, he was a gambling man down in New Orleans. Now the only thing a gambler needs is a suitcase and a trunk. And the only time he's satisfied is when he's on a drunk. Tell your children not to do what I have done. Don't spend your lives in sin and misery. The house of the rising sun. Got one foot on the platform, the other foot on the train. I'm going home back to New Orleans, to where that ball and chain. There once was a house in New Orleans. They call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many, many poor boys. And God, I know I want. All right, well, that was obviously House of the Rising Sun. If you don't know that song, that's embarrassing. Yes. This next song we're gonna do a little different. I believe actually he's wearing him right now. The next song we're gonna do is "Three Little Birds" by Bob Marley. Featuring the drums, or the cajon, is Dom. Don't worry about a thing. Gonna be alright. I say don't worry about a thing, because three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet song. Oh, melodies pure and true. I sing it, and this is my message to you. I sing it, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, oh, smiling with the rising sun, with three little birds pitching by my doorstep, singing sweet song. Oh, melody is pure and true. I sing it, and this is my message to you. I sing it, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Say, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Thank you. Let's hear it up for Mark. Accompany me. He'll be up here again before too long. And Dom. How can we ever forget about Dom? And of course, Matt on the guitar. So I got a request for requests, and I don't take requests. But if any of you have an idea of a song that you think you would like me to sing, I have a pen and a pad right over here next to this lovely tip jar where you can show your gratitude of us singing for you. This next song I don't know too well. I hope I don't fuck it up. But if I do, I hope you enjoy it anyway. It's called Free Fallin'. Sing along if you like. Oh, he's got a tune. He's got a tune. Twang, 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 twang.